yeah, it's a only one-way mirror apparently. Yeah, but this truck is like a huge meme in Japan. So if you use the internet in Japan, I think at some point you will see this word. But yeah, that's how I know. That's how I. And in the truck, they have like a little booth on their back. You know what I mean? Like they're carrying a little box with them, and in that box is like you can get inside. From outside, you can't see anything. It's just like they have a window, but it's like blacked out, so you can't see inside. But from inside, you can see the outside. You can see the outside from the inside. Yeah, and there was some certain video that films inside that place. They have a bed inside. Was it bed? I forgot. I don't really know about the details. I'm looking at the Wikipedia. I'm very surprised they have a Wikipedia, but I think they do that. They film inside the people doing pa 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 like that. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So that's what it is. That's what it is. Nah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Also, apparently from outside, it looks like a mirror, but if you go inside, you can see outside. If you take off your clothes in there, it feels like you're taking off the clothes in the public, but nobody can see it from outside, stuff like that. I'm very surprised that they have a Wikipedia for this one.